Welcome to Impana Tech World. Today I am starting with a new concept, that is else if. It is a continuation part of conditional statement. You can refer my playlist, that is C programming. Else if means when it is used when you have multiple conditions. When you have multiple condition, that is one after the other, at that particular time you will use this particular else if. When you have more condition, you will use this particular else if. This is the syntax. If this particular condition is there and if this particular condition is true, this statement will be printed. If this condition is false, then it goes to else if statement. It will check the condition. If this particular condition is true, it will print this particular statement. If even this particular else if condition is false, then it goes to else statement to print this particular statement. Okay, I'll show this particular one program by writing. I am explaining with the example. See, first I am writing include stdio.h, which is known as preprocessor directive, and then int main. After int main function, open the curly braces, then you can declare like int number or int a, anything. Okay, you can declare, but here what I am doing means I am taking the input from the user itself. For that you can write printf enter a number. You can write enter a number and close the double inverted comma, bracket, semicolon. To take the input from the user, you have to write this and write scanf to take the input from the user. Scanf, that is %d, new line. You have to use this particular symbol to take the input from the user, and number, close the semicolon. And then you can use if condition. If number is greater than 0, means you can write, what you can write, printf, the number is greater than 0, number greater than 0. Okay, else if printf, sorry, we have to write the condition for else if also. If number is less than 0, means you can write number is less than 0, then close the curly braces, then else statement. Else, if this two particular thing is wrong, then you can write else printf, the number is 0. Okay, close the curly braces and close the curly braces of this also. Okay, this is the program, simple program. If you enter the number something like 15 means, if you enter the number as 15 means 15 is greater than 0, it will print number is greater than 0. If you write minus 15 means it is lesser than 0, then the number is lesser than 0. I'll show this by executing in the system now. See, this is an example of that particular else if. We have used include stdio.h, int main, and they have declared that is int time is equal to 16. If 16 is lesser than 12 means, right, good morning. If 16 is lesser than 18 means, you have to write good day. Or else both the condition is wrong means you have to write good evening. So in this 16 is lesser than 18, right? 16 is lesser than 18. Else if condition is true. So the output will be good day. In today's class, we have learnt about else if statement. In the upcoming class, I will be teaching remaining conditional statement. If you like the content, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.